Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Queen Whit, and I'm back here again with another video. And today's video is going to be my skincare routine and what I use on my skin. So basically, I'm going to do that. Without further ado, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I post and be a part of the Queen Whit babes. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, so basically I am back. So I am going to wash my face. What I'm going to be using is Dove. I just started using this and I tried everything on my skin, but I'm about to show you guys what I use and how I use it. So yeah, so just chill with me, and that's how I get my skin glowing. Hey guys, so basically I am dancing right now, but I am getting my Dove soap and I'm going to apply it all over my face. My face is really damp right now, so I'm going to apply the soap, and then I'm going to make sure that is all over my skin, my face and neck, and my cheekbones and stuff like that. So basically that's what I'm going to be doing right now. As you can see, getting the soap and applying it, and I leave it on for like at least 10 seconds or 20 seconds on my face to make sure that the soap is absorbed well into my face. And yeah, so yeah. So after my face is freshly washed, I like to go in with my paper towel and just pat my face. I do that basically so I don't, honestly, I like paper towels better because towels have a lot of bacteria and stuff like that. But this helps me get the unnecessary stuff off my face, like the dirt and stuff like that when I do wear makeup. So that's what I like to use. And I also use something else for my skincare. I'm about to show you my seed oil that I use, which is basically, it helps with glowing skin as well. So that I started using that as well. So seed oil, definitely you apply 3 drops on your face and then you just rub it in. So basically, I use the Dove in the morning, and then I use African soap at nighttime, and I also use a seed oil for my skin as well, as you can see, for that glow. So basically, that's my skincare regimen. That's what I use basically morning and nighttime, and my skin was very bad with before I started using these products, and I used a lot of different products, and it did not go well with my skin. So I highly recommend you guys, if you tried everything and if your skin is still acting up and you still have acne, at least try to get a Dove soap or something to reveal that acne. So that's what I use on my daily skin morning routine and nighttime routine. Basically, when I wash my face twice a day, morning and nighttime, and maybe sometimes in the evening if I want to get that makeup off my face. So that's what I use basically, and yeah, so I highly recommend for you guys to try it out. At least try something, and if it doesn't work for 6 months, like, at least you know that you tried. So basically that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about on my skin. So without further ado, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and share this, please, and be a part of the Queen Whit Babes team. And yeah, so, and if you want to check out my other videos, the link is in bio, and you can check that out on my YouTube page as well. And yeah, can't wait, and see you in the next video.